It's running.
All right.
Shit.
Are you sure?
It's recording.
Okay. All right. So we got stuff. Okay. This is my Scorpion Evo. This is my Scorpion Evo, and I'm gonna go over what makes it unique, and then I'm gonna explain how I fit this Titan 11.1 volt battery into this small ass gun here. So on the externals, as you can see, it's not black. Not black, it's battleship gray, which is pretty cool. I liked it better than the black and the tan. I have this X-Core-Tech tech box and mock suppressor attached on there right now, as well as this cheap foregrip and these rail covers. And I'm not sure what the name of this sight is, but it has 4 different reticles and also has green and red. So now with the internals, there is a 6.01 inner barrel in there, tight bore inner barrel, as well as a new hop-up bucking. And that's about it for the upgrades. So now let's go into how I fit the battery in. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out the dust cover / bolt, as well as the charging handle. These things really just take up space in the battery compartment. As you can see, the battery's in here, so there's just no room for them. If you're okay with removing these things, then you're gonna have a good time. And there's a few other parts here that you gotta take out. Some of the springs and stuff, but that's pretty easy. In order to do this, you're gonna need a few tools. First, you'll need some Allen keys here of a larger variety in order to take the quick change spring system out. And then you'll also need a smaller Allen key to remove the screws in the receiver. And the last thing you're gonna need, besides a potato, is a Dremel or any sort of small device that can cut into the plastic. So we'll get into that in a bit. First, I'm gonna take these screws out, and then So now I've removed all the screws here in the receiver, and you can remove one of the panels. And if you look in here, the battery fits perfectly inside this gap here in the receiver, and it sticks out only a little bit out the front. So after you fit your battery in here, you have to take your Dremel and cut out enough space so that the portion of the battery that's sticking out can fit inside of the front handguard here. Then once you do that, make sure that you don't cut out this pin here in the plastic, because that lip inserts into this hole here. So you can cut all in here, and that's enough room for the battery and the wires. See? I don't have an idea anymore. Like citrus, please. What? Alright, let's pray. Is this the, I don't know which one it is, I don't think. Alright, cool. Thank you for watching.